In this lesson, we'll explore Instagram Story Ads, a highly effective and super cheap traffic source that can provide great results if used correctly. With Instagram's massive user base and the ability to use retargeting, Instagram Story Ads offer endless possibilities for marketers. Whether you're running a CPA campaign or promoting high-ticket items, this traffic source can be incredibly cost-effective. In this article, we'll walk you through how Instagram Story Ads work, their benefits, and the key things to keep in mind when running your campaigns. Instagram Story Ads are a form of paid advertising that appears within a user's Instagram Stories feed. Instagram Stories are short, vertical videos or images that appear at the top of the Instagram app, and ads can be inserted between these stories. These ads are designed to blend seamlessly into the user experience, which makes them highly engaging. If you get Instagram Story Ads right, you can achieve incredibly cheap clicks and drive a high volume of traffic for your campaigns. Due to Instagram's massive user base and the ability to retarget specific audiences, this traffic source offers a lot of potential for a wide range of offers. That's because Instagram is one of the most popular social media platforms worldwide, and with over 1 billion monthly active users, it's a goldmine for marketers. Instagram Story Ads are especially effective because they appear in a highly visible space at the top of users' feeds. They are interactive, allowing users to swipe up to take action immediately. They have incredibly cheap cost-per-click rates when used effectively, and they enable advanced targeting and retargeting options so you can reach the right audiences. With the right approach, Instagram Story Ads can be a super profitable traffic source. Much like push notification ads, Instagram Story Ads work exceptionally well for cost-per-action marketing. CPA marketing involves getting paid for a specific action, such as someone submitting their email, signing up for a free offer, or completing a registration. Instagram Story Ads work well for CPA due to lower cost clicks, making it easier to generate a lot of leads even if you're only getting paid a small amount per action. They offer immediate action, so users can quickly swipe up on a story ad, making it easier to drive conversions with minimal effort. For example, if you're running a campaign that pays $2 per opt-in and you're paying just a few cents per click, the potential for profit is raised significantly. The low cost of Instagram Story Ads means you can run campaigns that are highly profitable, even with low-paying offers. While Instagram Story Ads work great for CPA marketing, they can also be used for a variety of other offers, including high-ticket products. If you're promoting higher-priced items, Instagram Story Ads can be used to drive traffic to a sales funnel or a product landing page. Due to Instagram's targeting options, you can find the right audience for these higher-value offers. Webinars and funnels. Instagram Story Ads can be used to promote webinars, online courses, or other types of funnels, helping you build your email list or generate sales. Affiliate marketing campaigns. Instagram Story Ads can also be used to drive traffic to affiliate offers, though there are a few more rules to follow. While Instagram Story Ads are a great traffic source, they come with more restrictions compared to other traffic sources, such as push notification ads. Since Instagram is owned by Facebook, they have more stringent rules to ensure that ads on their platform meet certain standards. Some key restrictions for Instagram Story Ads are no direct linking. You can't simply place an affiliate link directly in the Instagram Story ad. Instead, you need to use a bridge page or landing page that leads to your affiliate offer. This ensures a smoother user experience and helps maintain the integrity of the platform. Compliance with privacy policies. Your landing pages need to have privacy policies and terms and conditions visible at the bottom, especially if you're collecting user data, such as with emails. This is important for staying compliant with Instagram's advertising guidelines. Non-misleading ads. Instagram has strict rules about what kind of offers you can promote. For example, you can't use misleading tactics, such as pretending an ad is a personal message. Ads should be clear and straightforward, and get-rich-quick or money-making offers are not allowed. Content restrictions. Certain niches, like dating or adult content, are not allowed to be promoted through Instagram Story Ads. If you're in a niche like this, you'll need to explore other traffic sources. While there are more hoops to jump through with Instagram Story Ads, the potential to create profitable campaigns makes it worth the effort. With the right targeting, you can get your ads in front of a highly relevant audience and drive conversions at a low cost. Instagram story ads offer a powerful and affordable traffic source for marketers. Whether you're running a CPA marketing campaign, promoting high-ticket products, or driving traffic to a sales funnel, Instagram story ads provide a cost-effective way to reach your audience. However, keep in mind that Instagram has more restrictions compared to other traffic sources, so it's important to follow their guidelines and set up your campaigns correctly.